Good morning. Welcome to Freaky Friday, Friday, 5th July 2024, pre market commentary by Vijay. Thank you for joining me here today. Please note I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. So when I talk about stocks or the index, please do your own due diligence before you take positions. So yesterday was a lackluster day in the sense that both Nifty and Bank Nifty closed 15 points above the previous day's close, but the both the indices made all-time highs. Nifty came off about 100 points from the all-time high. The broader markets, of course, continue to party, and every day there's a new sector, a new stock, and a new NFO which comes about, and then the prices go up 5, 10, 15, 20%. A new concept every day. So that party may continue, but the Freaky Friday will happen, especially in HDFC Bank. Now, I had warned that day before yesterday, this HDFC Bank's movement is very suspicious in the sense people have bought in earlier, and as soon as that news came, they would have sold day before yesterday. That effect was seen yesterday. So we were short on HDFC Bank based on our experience. It happened in 2021, where HDFC Bank suddenly announced a board meeting for a merger, and heavy buying happened on the first week of April, and next day onwards it started going down. So similarly, we expected that will happen this time, and true to form, it happened. And yesterday evening, HDFC Bank has come out with their guidance, if I may say so. Not guidance as much as what the performance has been before they actually announce the results. So the results are, the results which they have announced, not the final results, but what they have given as to what they have done in the recent past, broad top line, you could say. And they're quite pathetic to say the least, though there are lots of analysts who are defending those numbers. HDFC is like Amitabh Bachchan of the 80s. Great bank, like what Amitabh Bachchan was a great star, but then its decline started for about 12 years, then between 88 to 2000. Similarly, I expect HDFC Bank to lose its luster because there are so many other banks, including the public sector banks, which are doing very well. And HDFC Bank is, I would say, is a great bank, but it will require, reworking, like what Amitabh Bachchan did in the late, early 2000s. So that much for HDFC Bank. But today, shorting may be a little tricky, but still, sell on rise will work in case of HDFC Bank. I think Kotak Bank also can join that gang. IndusInd Bank is another one. So the three large private sector banks are in what I would say in a lackluster mode. Now, ICICI Bank and Axis Bank can save the day. How much they will do, we don't know. But you never know when everybody is selling HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank and IndusInd Bank, ICICI and Axis may be the refuge. Yesterday, IT, as expected, moved up, and we were long on BTST day for yesterday on TCS. We have booked our profits, and yesterday we took L&T. We have to see what will happen today or maybe in the next couple of days. Because L&T is too good a stock to be just ignored at this point of time and at this stage of the bull run. At least for very short term, I am expecting a pop-up on HDFC Bank, on L&T. We also are long in textile stocks. We have been long since last 1 week. They have paid us, and I'm expecting something good to come out from the PLI scheme which the government has announced, and something may come during budget. More importantly, they're all trading below 20 PE, the stocks which we have bought. Then there are some miscellaneous stocks, especially in the transformer sector, and you can say the electrical equipment sector, not the BHELs of the world. BHELs is completely in a bubble. It is showing some top line orders. They will not be able to execute it in time because that is their DNA. And sooner or later, the market will find out. Maybe it will take a quarter, 2 quarters, but then the people who bought it will drown in many quarters. Quarters here is whiskey or alcohol. So what did the FIs and DIs do? They matched against each other. FIs bought about 2,500 crores and DIs sold 2,500 crores. Yesterday, US market was closed, so the fireworks were not there. The literal fireworks were there. They all celebrate with lots of fireworks in the evening of 4th July. While we may see some fireworks in our markets today, in many sectors, in many stocks, both up and down. Now, as far as the broader market is concerned, as I said, they were partying. So they may continue to party today also, but you some wild swings beginning now, especially with the budget in the offing. I had mentioned that I will do a special session on Sunday on where we stand in the market. Now, as far as we are concerned, if you're looking for a stop loss, I would say stop loss of day before yesterday's low. And if it closes below day before yesterday's low, then I think we'll have an intermediate correction. The day before yesterday's low is 24,200 on the Nifty. Yesterday, remember, 24,302 is the close of Nifty. On the Bank Nifty, it is 52,400, which is the day before yesterday's low, whereas yesterday Bank Nifty closed about 700 points high at 53,103. So while the bulls may argue that it will never go there, but you can never say never in the market. You need to have those as your markers before you begin to trade. So we will trade both long and short today. Opportunities may be tough. Yesterday was a very tough day. Opportunities very, very few and far between in the large caps, which is where we trade on an intraday basis. But we take deliveries on mostly mid caps, not in the small caps so much. If there are some good ideas, we do take. If they are below 20 PE, then we definitely would like to venture there, even for the short term. So today, whatever you do, I hope it is successful. And thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful trading day.